Hi, welcome to mycutetoons. Today we're going to draw R2D2 from Star Wars. So grab your marker or your pencil and follow along with me. We're going to draw the body first. So I'm going to make two lines on both sides to indicate how wide R2D2's body is going to be. Narrow at the bottom and going out wider at the top. Then we're going to connect the lines. At the bottom with a nice curve. And the same at the top. With a nice curve. And just below we're going to make another curve. And then at the bottom you're just going to make two round lines going out and on this side as well. And we can connect them. At the bottom, I want to draw two lines going in on both sides and a nice curve on the top and connect the two lines as well. I'm just going to make a few little lines there for some interest to make it a bit more interesting. At the top, you're going to draw a nice circle. Just a bit away, you're going to draw another circle. You're going to draw a cylinder like this. And now right here at the top, you're just going to make a little indication, a mark. And then you're going to bring a nice curve down. Connect it to the body. That's going to be R2D2's head. On the bottom, I want you to draw, just leave a little space open. Leave a little space open, a little space open, a little space open, and connect it. So you have this nice curve. Then we're gonna draw a few little cuts down here. And this cut can go all the way to the bottom, and this one can go all the way to the bottom as well. And right between the two we're going to continue with this curve, and on this side you're just going to bring it up to this little camera to draw another circle, a bigger circle than the other two, and you're going to make sort of a flat cylinder as well. Now we're going to draw a square. I want to draw a little L, and we're going to draw another L just below it to give it some depth like this. And you're going to connect it to the camera, and on this side you're going to connect it to the camera. So it's a nice little box with a lens in it. And now I want to continue with the line. So let's finish up with the head. Just take it straight there to the camera, and here connect it to there. And there's the head of R2D2. So inside the body you're going to make two lines. You're going to leave a space open. You're going to draw another line, leave a space open, another one. And now you're going to copy these three lines as well. Again, we're going to connect them with a nice curve. So you're going to connect them. On the side. So you're going to copy both sides. And there a line and there another one. And connect them. In the middle, I want you to draw two lines again. From narrow to wide, connect them, and we're going to draw a box inside. Split the line, or split the box, and let's shade it in. Let's shade the cameras in as well. Now we're going to draw the shoulders. So I want you to draw two boxes, long and narrow. Copy it exactly on this side as well. And from the body to the box, you're just going to draw a connector line. We're going to draw a square on both sides. On the top of the square you're gonna draw this funny shape. You're going to do the same thing here. And now for the fruit. There's one. And connect the lines with a straight line at the bottom and a line on the top. This side. So don't touch this top square. There we go. Connect it. Connect it. And then you're going to follow the top square, but not touching it. In the middle, you're going to draw another foot about the same height. Connect it. Connect it. And connect the top one. And let's just make some textures here as well. There's a texture. We can divide the shoulder in half. We'll divide it in half, and we can just draw some shape on the shoulder as well. At the back, close it off. And there's R2D2. Now you can look at my picture and you can match the colors and color R2D2 in. I'm sure R2D2 will look absolutely amazing. Thank you for drawing with me. Please don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to my channel. And please leave me a comment if you want me to draw something else, and I'll be happy to do so. I'll see you soon. Bye bye.